Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. Almighty grace of Allah. Today, this video I'm making for only practicing purpose. If I mistake any kind of sentence, you please remind me on comment box. Okay, today I'm gonna show you something, and I'm gonna talking about how to speak in English very easily. If you want to improve your spoken English, you should to watch some lecture like motivational speaker or drama or cartoon. All of our will be only English. Okay, if you see this kind of drama lecture, also you can listening some song like English song, then you will be sometime before you will be understand how to speak. Then first to most is important thing is practice. How can you practice? You practice your camera with your camera. Open your camera and speak as you want. As you want, you can speak. Every day, if you want to improve your English, please practice. Practice is never fail, because practice is man a man perfect. So keep it up and stay with me. I will share you more something. Okay, thank you for watching this video, because I am also a learner. Okay, I'm not a teacher, like I'm also learner, and I am also beginner to spoken English. How to I can a good speaker, and how to improve myself spoken English. That's why I made this video, and I also trying to better and better day by day. Okay, thank you for watching this video.